If you're someone who adores all things chic yet practical, we've got just the place for you. Introducing the City Arcade, a student haven serving the best of Exeter, while fitting well within your budget. Nestled in John Street, this stellar abode offers a stunning selection of ensuite apartments to choose from. Step into your new home where you'll be greeted by a snug bed, a dedicated study desk, a tall mirror, a wall-mounted shelf, and a cozy beanbag sofa, adding a touch of luxury and convenience to your stay. But that's not all. Enjoy binge-watching your favorite shows with friends on the communal TV, all while staying connected with free Wi-Fi. While the well-equipped communal kitchen is sure to transform all your culinary adventures into a gourmet experience. But the absolute icing on the cake is the inclusion of utility bills, saving you a huge chunk of money. When it's time to head to university, Exeter College and the University of Exeter are just a stone's throw away, ensuring you never miss those early morning lectures. With the town center right on your doorstep, you're perfectly positioned in the heart of the action. Whether you fancy a sundowner and a night of dancing with friends at Little Drop of Poison, or perhaps a spot of retail therapy at the Guildhall Shopping Center, just a pleasant stroll away. So are you ready to experience the elegant charm of Exeter like never before? If so, head straight to emberstudent.com to live the life of your dreams at the City Arcade, Exeter.